Hey guys, welcome to this brand new episode, and today I will be guiding you to pick your best hair trimmer under Rs 2000 in India. Since we mostly are in lockdown, the salons all over the place happen to be closed, which poses a problem of hair trimming for us. But worry not, I will be sharing my list of top 5 trimmers that you can purchase in this lockdown. The first one in the list is the Mi Beard Trimmer, which is available at an impressive price point of 1199 rupees. The trimmer basically has self-sharpening stainless steel blades that can run for about 90 minutes in one continuous usage. Also, the trimmer is IPX7 waterproof and the rest of the features are pretty handy as well. The next one in the list is a Philips trimmer, which is available at a price of Rs 1795, and it offers different precision settings like others and offers a 45-minute usage on one single charge. That's equally impressive as the other trimmers. Do note that this product comes with a 2-year guarantee, and it is something that can't be overlooked. As usual, I will leave the links to the product in the description for you to check it out, and you can buy it from there. Moving further, we have the newly launched Havells trimmer, which is available at a price point of Rs 1649. The best thing about this one is that it comes with a storage stand and a digital LED indicator for power as compared to others. It comes with the same features as others and also has their self-sharpening blades and different comb attachments. This one is pretty good, to check it out. The next one is the Sisker trimmer, which is available at a price point of Rs 1400 and offers the same features as others within this price point of 2000. It comes with 20 lock settings in addition and has detachable heads. Moving to the final product in the list, we have the Ustra trimmer, which is also available at a price point of Rs 1449, and the best thing is that you get an on-site warranty on this one for 2 years. It offers up to 120 minutes of usage time on a complete single charge, and that's fairly good enough for a hair trimmer. That's it for my list of best hair trimmers under 2000 rupees in India. I hope you now have a clear vision to select the one that you have been waiting for. As usual, if you like my content, do hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.